Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm Kelly Dack for Real Time with IPC. Joining me today is Jack Pattie, president of Ventec International Group. Jack, welcome.
Pleasure.
I'll shake your hand.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Tell us about tell us about your laminates.
Well, yeah, thanks for having us. It's great to be back on PC 007. But for us, lots of things are going on. We've had a fantastic 2018 and looking to a really strong 2019. Tremendous growth last year in some of our key products, our polyimide products, our thermal management products, and our signal integrity products, and had a couple launches of some really great products for last year, and even had our IPO on the emerging Taiwanese stock exchange. So,
right on.
So quite a 2018 for Ventec. Yeah.
Good, and lots to look forward to 2019.
Yeah.
You're covering all products, right? Or all laminate products, right? For every industry need, more or less.
Yeah, I mean, we range from the traditional FR4 epoxy product range to the polyimide for the mill aero, the signal integrity and RF for wireless and antenna applications. And then one of our major areas of growth has been thermal management materials.
Right.
There's so many heat issues with circuit boards right now that when we started, it was all general lighting, and then it went to LED lighting for automotive. But now, whether it's just general circuit boards and computers or power applications, there's everything is looking for smaller, faster, more powerful, which is tremendous, generating a tremendous amount of heat. So
So lots of. Are we talking ceramic cores, aluminum cores? What's your most specialized thermal management system?
It's a ceramic-based material, but it will have either aluminum or copper-based heat sink for the for the heat dissipation. So that's the traditional materials. Last year we launched our VT5A2 material, which is a thermally conductive core and prepreg, which is really interesting, and that's been one of our fastest growing products because it allows you to make a traditional core and prepreg in a thermal management material, but also you can do hybrids. You can, it's really getting a lot of interest in the automotive industry, in the especially with the EV vehicles, which is something that's a really big growth market for us.
Okay, so talking 2019, here we are.
Sure.
Yeah, and the industry seems to be exploding in lots of different ways.
Sure.
Tell us ways, like a state of the industry. What do you think?
I think
the
for
mind
us,
of Jack
in particular for North America, I think we're going to continue along our current path, which is to really promote our polyimide for the mill aero market segment. We had we had double-digit growth last year, really strong growth in polyimide. Thermal management materials is just exploded for us, so that's a really strong area.
I got to ask, with the explosion of the material requirements, are we seeing costs go down at all because the volumes are going up, or how's the costing of the materials?
Not necessarily. I mean, I think we have we are in a unique position for the thermal management materials, and we specialize in the higher thermal conductivity materials. We have the largest capacity in the world for those type of materials. And we really proud of our quality in that. And we just hired 2 people for our OEM team to promote our TechSpeed line of products, which is the signal integrity materials. So that's something I would say it's something we're very focused on for 2019, to continue to promote all of those products with a major emphasis on our TechSpeed line of products. And also we're investing in facilities. Both of our major facilities are in Chicago and Southern California, so we have significant investment plans for both of those facilities to upgrade our capabilities and service the market, because everything is quick turn. So we've really built our business on having material in stock. Almost every order we have is delivered same day, So that's our business model that's driven the success of.
Well, from a challenges standpoint, it sounds like everything's going really well, but there is this looming cloud still out there recently regarding tariffs and
Yes.
trade wars and
Yes.
all those negative things.
Yes.
Still positive, still dealing. How are you dealing with these?
I think
how's
for
life
us,
in the trade war era?
I feel especially proud the way that we have managed that, and I think that we have managed it in a way that has been largely transparent with our customers. They haven't felt the burden where the tariffs are pretty significant right now. They're 25% on laminate, and on prepreg, and 10% on laminate. And so during that transition, even though we knew that they were coming, we continued to ship product from our China facility into the U.S., even though we were going to have to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars in additional duty. But we felt a long-term strategy was to make sure that we had product on the shelf for our customers.
Right.
This was in turn, while fortunately we are a Taiwanese-owned company and we have a fantastic facility in Taiwan, so we were slowly shifted the production to our Taiwan facility to import into the U.S. And we've got most of that completed now, but we are still having to bring some materials in from China and continue to pay that duty. And our customers have not really seen the impact of that yet. How long that remains, I'm not sure, but there just has not been an appetite for price increases to the PCB factories on the laminate and prepreg side.
Right, wonderful. I mean, it sounds like you're dealing with it, and customer oriented, and
we've been
supply
here.
chain fed.
It's taken me a long time to strategically build our business in the U.S., and we really did it from a quality point of view and long-term strategy, and we just did not want to do a knee-jerk reaction to the tariffs. And hopefully it'll settle itself. But our plan is in place to deal with it, no matter what happens.
Yeah, I think it's a wisdom. Very good to meet you.
Okay, thank you.
Jack,
Appreciate
with me
it.
has been Jack Pattie, president of Ventec International Group. I'm Kelly Dack for Real Time with IBC. Thanks for being with us today.